magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium is, if we go back to our periodic table, right here, column 2, which means it has a +2 charge. Hydroxide, our good old friend OH, has a -1 charge. So I need MgOH2 plus hydrochloric acid to form water and magnesium chloride. Chloride, though, has a -1 charge. It's in column 7. So, just like the OH, I need 2 chlorines for the 1 magnesium. I need to balance my reaction. If we look over here, the challenge here is that I have 2 oxygens. So I know I'm going to need a 2 here. So I have this 2 here. That gives me 4 hydrogens. If I put a 2 here, that gives me 4 hydrogens on the reactant side. 2 chlorines, good to go. And finally, the combustion of ethane gas, C2H6, produces carbon dioxide gas and water vapor, as do all of the combustion reactions we're discussing. C2H6 is a gas plus O2. Why am I adding that? Because its combustion will produce CO2, a gas, plus H2O, a gas, plus energy because it is fire. Balancing the equation, again, like I said, you can either start with carbon or you can start with making oxygen even. In combustion, I like starting with carbon. So I'm going to put a 2 over there. And then I know I still am going to need to get oxygen to balance here. So now you kind of have to play the game. I need 6 H's, which means I need 3 of these. The problem, and what I want you to look at here, is that this is going to give me an odd number of oxygens. So this is not going to work. So what I'm going to need to do in order to increase this to an odd or to an even number is that I'm going to need to up the number by doubling it, right? Because I have to up it by 6 because there's 6 over here. So what I would do is I would say, okay, let's make this 6. I know now that I'm going to have to make this 2 so that I have 12 hydrogens represented. That just doubled my carbon, so that's going to now have to be 4. All right, so now let's just make sure my C's and my H's are good. I have 4 carbons on the reactant side, 4 carbons on the product side. I have 12 hydrogens on the reactant side, 12 hydrogens on the product side. Now I just have to figure out how many total oxygen I have. I have 6 right here, and I have 8 right here for a total of 14, which means I need 7 diatomic oxygens. Again, super hope you felt that this was helpful. If you didn't, I don't know, don't watch it. But I hope you did. I hope you're ready for the test tomorrow. Trust yourself. Make sure you're remembering the details. Some hints in that sense are going to be making sure you have your polyatomics memorized, making sure you think everything through, making sure that you don't rush, and you're looking for every little detail. Is it balanced? Do I know